I'm Jojit, ex-OFW from Singapore. So, decided to retire before my 50th birthday. Talaga naghahanap kami kung anong pwedeng gawing business. And then, we found this ad sa Facebook about Coffee Spot. So, nag-reach out ako and asked for information.
I'm China. I work as an admission officer and marketing officer at one private school here. And then, yun nga, after nang mag-decide kami, tinikman muna namin siya sa Santa Rosa.
Actually, I'm a drinker of cappuccino talaga. Nung matikman ko yung cappuccino Coffee Spot, sabi ko, okay itong lasa nito. Pasok sa lasa ko, kaya sabi ko,
and that's we drink every day here.
Ang team ng Coffee Spot, when you ask them questions, mabilis sila sumagot. I mean, sa messenger lang, sasagot na. And so we're inviting everyone to come to Coffee Spot Pulo, Cabuyao, Laguna. We're open daily from 1 p.m. to 10 p.m. So, our place, we have a second floor na meron kami mga board games na makapag-relax sila, invite their friends, families. Medyo hindi lang kami tahimik, but the laughter and the enjoyment of the customers, talagang they are feel free to do anything sa shop namin. So,